Converting list to args when calling function. In Python, how do I convert a list to args? I need to know because the function wants several time_series objects passed as args, whereas I have a list of time series objects.
You can use the operator before an iterable to expand it within the function call. For example, notice the before time series _ list from the Python documentation. If the syntax expression appears in the function call, expression must evaluate to an iterable. Elements from this iterable are treated as if they were additional positional arguments. If there are positional arguments x1, xn, and expression evaluates to a sequence y1, ym, this is equivalent to a call with m plus n positional arguments x1, xn, y1, ym. This is also covered in the Python tutorial, in a section titled Unpacking Argument Lists, where it also shows how to do a similar thing with dictionaries for keyword arguments with the operator.
Yes, using arg passing args to a function will make Python unpack the values in arg and pass it to the function. So,
args just means that the function takes a number of arguments, generally of the same type. Check out this section in the Python tutorial for more info.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.